That's what you call a self-eject.
Oh, oh, wow, 360. Oh, the cones are being decimated. Hi guys, back with our X-Maxxes, and we've got another 3D printed item for it. Can you guess what it is? Yes, we have been playing about with these Wishbone protectors made out of flexible material. This is their first run, so we're going to give them a test, see how they go, and see how much mud and crap it stops from getting all round here. It's a damp day, so we're hoping it's going to do the job.
But first guys, let's show you how we designed it. We did it in Fusion 360, and here is a little video of how we designed it. It was an absolute nightmare to design. There's so many different faces to this. None of it's square. We had to do quite a few prototypes to get anywhere near correct fitment. You see the cable tie holes are now going in there. We'd have put a third one in the final version, but we're quite happy. They fit on there really, really well. So now you will see when we tested these how much mud they stop getting around the back of the truck, and it does make it so much easier to keep these things clean. Of course, we all like not having to clean them as much.
Remember, we need to brake for the first corner.
What are you suggesting?
But you don't brake much?
Yep. Oh, I'm on the mud. Right then, you ready?
Yep.
Showboating. Not the fastest way. Oh, I've got no...
Where are you going?
I've got no steering lock again.
Whoa!
2 wheels.
Cones down.
Conage. Oh, he didn't see it. Oh, right.
This is quite a bumpy little truck here.
I've got no right hand lock. No right hand lock whatsoever.
Oh dear. I'm just going to ease off a little bit. Just have a little cruise to the wind.
We've really
No need to rush when you've got this big a lead. Save the battery for the next race, that's what I reckon. Nice. What was going on again?
I had no steering lock.
Oh no.
But
Is
I
it
had no
fixed now?
TSM either.
I still have my 40% TSM as is customary.
If I have TSM on, I just have no steering lock. Wheeling and all sorts of things. Oh, nice tight
Bit
line
worried.
there. Oh,
That's why I stay
missed
out of his
him.
way. I'll just follow him until he crashes.
I'll just park it on the line. Oh, it's understeer and no steering lock. Oh! Sorry, it started to spin out on me.
Nice.
Still wheeling.
Whoa, no.
Yes!
Oh.
I'm straight through here when you get it right. Where's he going?
That's it.
Blocked me. Oh! I thought he was going to get the camera. So how much? Oh, look at that.
That is some good mud.
That's just from 9 laps.
Short laps.
Yes. Ugh.
And comparison with... but actually the point is, look behind. There's actually nothing in there.
No, it's all
In
good.
comparison, a normal truck, I've got some RPM shock protectors. Trapped a little bit, but in the back, of course.
But you can see it all in there.
Yeah, that's not so pleasant. Right. That's what you call a self-eject.
Right then, on the... What have we got here? Oh, come on, turn in. Which side this are we
Didn't
going?
expect that. Try not to fall over
camera.
here. Trick a little
Oh,
spot.
it's a bit fiddly, this track even. Oh, look at it. It's got no steering lock.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Don't like it as much this way round.
Could you lose it?
Got the cones though. Oh yeah, I'll go through there.
It just went out into the stone minefield.
I just have no steering lock. No right hand lock, no left hand lock.
Someone's hit a few of the cones there.
I've no left hand lock. So, how well have those wishbone protectors, guards worked? Well, look at all the crap on here. So if these weren't here, that would be all round your shocks and your drive shafts, but if you look from the back, they're perfectly clean. So I think they are a win-win-win. So we will be putting them on our eBay store. We'll leave a link down below in the description if you want these. We'll ship them worldwide. Great little upgrade for the X-Maxx. Right guys, so if you've got this far on the video, well done, thank you. But this is now the final version of these that we are going to let people buy. It has 3 cable ties holding it on. Lovely flexible design. We have tested these properly off camera. You're going to do really well. They're not indestructible, but you'll do really well on that. There's plenty of clearance there on the suspension. It's flexible anyway, so there's no issues with it causing any damage to your truck. See, we've got plenty of clearance there. We'll leave a link below in the description for where you can buy them from, or drop us a message on Facebook. And it's going to make it a lot easier keeping these behemoth of the trucks clean.